In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anime images with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, write an effective prompt, and refine the result so it matches the anime look you're after. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation there. Choose Chat to open a conversation window. This is where you'll talk to Grok and describe the anime image you want it to generate. Think of this chat box as your creative brief. Whatever you type here guides the final artwork. Now write your anime image prompt. Be clear about the subject, setting, and style so Grok understands your vision. For example, you can start with something like, generate an anime samurai standing in a cherry blossom forest. That's a solid base, and it will produce something recognizable. Remember, the more detail you include, the better the result. You can add notes about pose, clothing, expressions, lighting, and mood. If you have a tone in mind, peaceful, dramatic, or high energy, say that. You can even hint at stylistic influences like cel-shaded, vibrant pastel palette, or cinematic lighting. After you've written your prompt, press enter to send it. Grok will process your request and, in most cases, show a preview right in the chat. If anything looks off, don't worry, this is normal. Sometimes a small tweak in wording makes a big difference, like changing standing to kneeling, or specifying evening light with soft pink petals drifting. Once you see the initial image, refine the anime style details directly in the chat. You can reply with adjustments such as make the line art crisper, increase contrast, add motion lines, or use a softer watercolor feel. If colors are important, mention them explicitly. Deep indigo kimono, pale pink blossoms, misty blue background. Keep your instructions short and specific so Grok can lock onto what matters most. Iterating like this helps you quickly move from a good image to a great one without starting over. When the image appears and you're happy with it, click the image to view it at full size. This is the best way to check fine details like facial features, textures, and background elements. If you spot something you'd like to adjust, jump back to the chat and refine your prompt with a clear, simple note. That's it. Open Grok, use chat, describe your anime scene clearly, refine the style, and view it full size. Happy creating.